Hello friends, I'm Vishwa and today we are discussing about a thing that we use in our day-to-day life, that is science. Before moving further, I just want to tell you that if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe now because in my channel you will get an interesting video every day. So let's get started. So before understanding how science originated in our life, first we have to understand what is science. Science is anything that makes our life understand better the history of natural world or how this natural world works. To understand science, we have to study three types of the science: biological science, physical science, and experimental science. So we have divided science into three branches: biology, physics, and chemistry. Biology deals with the living things, physics deals with the laws and forces, and chemistry deals with all the elements in our world. So now the question is, how these branches has came in the mind of the scientist. In Egypt around 2800 BC, they had advanced knowledge of human body. That's almost 5000 years back. It means what we are studying now, it was discovered 5000 years back. Most ancient biologists named Puckett studied medicines and anatomy. Anatomy means structure of a human body. To understand anatomy, they used to study with the dead bodies, so they have made mummies. This was all about human body. But what about plants? They were the Greeks who discovered medicine by plants, and they only coined the term biology. A scientist named Aristotle discovered biology about plants. He had advanced knowledge about plants. Before him, no one focused about studying plants. When Aristotle realized that some plants have similar structure, he began separating into groups such as Monera, Protista, Plantae. Eventually, he classified 500 species of plants. Now we will discuss about how chemistry originated. The interest of chemistry increased after the discovering of gold and silver. But later in 17th century, the philosopher named Robert Boyle thought about matter, and his son named Rich Boyle made a law that states every matter are in definite proportion. In 1661, the spectacle chemist made another law that matter can neither created nor destroyed. Then a scientist named Dalton has researched a matter deeply and said that matter is made up of atoms, and he made a group of laws which is named as Dalton's atomic theory. So now what about physics? You might be a little disappointed at the answer. No one invented physics. As long there were people, they wondered why things happened the way they did, and what would happen if they tried other things. Well, that's all the scientists do. You can imagine a caveman noticed that fire is hot, and rubbing two sticks together made them warm. He might asking himself, could I make fire by rubbing those sticks together really hard? That caveman was being a physicist, and when he tried rubbing sticks together, he was doing an experiment. So another way to answer our question is, everyone invented physics. Everyone who ever asked a question about why things happen is a scientist. Of course, over the years there were many people who made it their jobs to try to explain things, and some of them made the biggest and most important discoveries in science. For instance, you might heard of Galileo and Newton. Both discovered important law about gravity. In this century, probably the most famous scientist was Albert Einstein. His theory of relativity talks about all the strange things that happen when you are moving almost as fast as light, and a lot of other cool stuff. Alright guys, if you like my video, then give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification from World of Knowledge.